afternoon everyone and welcome back to our live. This is our semi-final game sa ating liga dito sa 2025-2026 season ng Paya League. Kalaban po natin ang All Ops SC. Good luck. Let's go.
Layups, go. Go 2 minutes.
Bago mag-NBA, halos kasabay ng batang PBA yun. Diba? March? MVPC may MVPC.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out, Matt. ating official photographer. Alright, this is the semi-final game. Sa mga kachunin lamang po. Sino kaya ang unang makakapasok sa finals? Good luck to our Xavier School, San Juan.
Tiyan mo. Ang laki ng tiyan mo. Ba't tumatawag ako daw? Special guest referee ah. Wala ensayo eh. Wala ensayo. Special guest referee pala tayo pare.
Okay, let's the battle begin na siya.
Middle, Tristan. Middle. Ah, sige, okay ka.
Alright. Jump ball. First ball. Sa atin.
Go, Jan, go.
Jordan.
Swing.
D. Swing. Bad pass.
Go, pick up. Swing. Ah, sige.
Oh, steal. Number 24. Too strong. Block by Jordan. Backer pass. Vergara, 4-3, no. Iba ng Olops. Oh, no call. Jordan. Number 24, too strong. Iba ng Olops. Oh, in the first basket para sa Olops. Let's see.
Look.
Pull up J, no? Iba ng Olops. Out of bounds. Last touch. Vergara to Jordan. D. Pass the corner. Pull up G. No. Rebound by number 10. Wala rito ng Olops. Rebound by Jordan.
Good. Stay up. Foul.
D. Too strong. Gets the foul.
Go. 8 up.
7 minutes and 11 seconds. Wala rito ng Olops. Oh, steal. Jordan. Boy. Nakakuha pa rin ng Olops to recover. Oh, basket count and one by jersey number 35. And happy viewing po kay Sir Erwin Tan is watching Sport Our Xavier. Oy, offensive rebound from Olops. Good. Wala with the ball. Pass to steal. Kaya na, number 12. Attacking the basket and may foul. Yeah, the second personal foul. No. Good. Basket. Official score is 5-0. Yang. Setting on the screen. Yang. Boy. Steal ng Olops. Kick out. 4-3. Oh. Time out. Xavier School. Time remaining 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Yan natin ang huddle na ating Xavier.
Next play.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Hey, corner entry. Okay, side door corner.
Xavier School basketball. J, no. Rebound. 4-3. Yes, para sa 3 by Vergara. Oh, let's go. Basketball. By number 36. Oh. Backdoor pass. Cheng to Jordan. 4-3. No. Rebound number 37 para kay Wia. 8-5. Down by 3. Oh, steal. Wia to Cheng.
Hit the corner.
Cheng. Backdoor pass to number 36. Too strong. We will rebound. Steal ng Olops. Boy, number 10 and gets a foul. Sa baba pa lang ba? Torres coming in for a D.
Sino yung huling foul?
36.
Number 10, fake. Using the glass basket. Balik sa limang-lamang ng Olops. Cheng to the ball. Cheng, kick out. Flores, floor 3. No. Rebound again. Sa foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 3. Cheng.
Hold na lang ako.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Second shot for Cheng. 2 for 2. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang ng Olops. Number 35. Basket. Cheng. Vergara 4-3. Point para kay Vergara. Out and pass. Steal by Flores. Flores to Cheng. Back to Flores. Catch and shoot. No. Rebound. That's a foul. Shooting the line. Jersey number 26. 28.
Good pass. Pwede mo na space or you can run overload.
That's Vergara.
Wala mo lang yung
Basket.
overload. Number 2, dalawa na sa
Basket. 2 for 2. For Vergara. Substitution. Jordan coming in. Tabla tayo sa 12.
Jordan, kinutaw mo! Lucas, switch! Pwede kayo mag-switch mamaya.
Number 12. Hand off to number 12. Top of the key for 3. Yes, good.
Overload, overload. Ay, si pila, si.
Flores. Oopsie. Bad pass. Time out. All of SC. Time remaining 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Back in the ball game. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Gabing Hui coming in.
Green.
Flores 4-3. Yes, sir. Down by 2.
Jordan!
17-5. 15.
Coach, are we 11?
Yeah, we're 11.
Oh, block there. Ibaw natin Xavier.
Slide.
Cheng. Sweet. Back to Cheng. Cheng. Floater. Basket. Tabla tayo. Sa 17. Okay. Drop pass. Number 17.
Second!
Floater. Nakalusot doon ang Olops. Hand off. Cheng, top of the key for 3. No. Rebound. Jordan using the glass. Basket. Tabla ulit tayo sa 19. Last 30 seconds.
Get screen.
That's a foul. Remaining time, last 20 seconds. Substitution.
Start, man. You're four. Last time. Last. Jordan. This is Jordan. Simpa mo. Man, nakikapasa mo ng minsan. Tumatawa ka pa eh.
Cheng. Pass away. Oh, bad pass. Steal. Bounce pass. Floater. Wala. Good defense para sa ating Xavier. And that's the end of our first quarter. Fisher scores all 19. Alright, tayo dadaw na sa ating second quarter.
Ang work defense rotation natin.
Back to the ball game. Going to the second quarter. Bola rito ng Olops SC.
5 down.
Gets the 3 short.
Go! Four country start.
We back to Cheng. Kick out for 3. Bang! 3-point. Para naman kay Vergara. Change favor naman na tayo ng tatlo. 22-19. Another steal. Naka-recover si number 21. Ayan na. Nasa corner. Jump shot. No. Rebound by Vergara. Pass to Cheng. Cheng. Tutan. Back to Cheng. Cheng. Up and under. Side step. Basket is good. 24-19. Number 61. Boy, good defense para sa Xavier. And last touch for Cheng.
Oh, 5 down.
Number 81. Nasa corner. Number 21. Step and pump. No. Rebound. Maitan. Vergara for 3. No. Rebound. Cheng. Flores. Pinasa loob. Basket count. And 1. Ay, uwi. $26.90 in favor of our Xavier. With the time remaining 8 minutes and 8 seconds.
Sige, close out eh. Sige, it's up to you. Gusto mo ba? Nasaan yung hot-dog? 3 points ka. Right?
Oh, good.
22. Sige na, 22.
Last touch.
You have to talk lang, you have to talk. 22.
Wala. Jay, wala. Rebound. Here comes Stan. Tyrese. Attacking the basket. Spin. No. Tyrese get their own miss. Basket is good. 28-19. Oh, see.
22. Rafa. Good, Rafa. Way to go. Good, Lucas.
All of SC basketball.
Corner, back corner.
Pass to number 2. Gets a foul. Seven minutes and 2 seconds. All of SC basketball.
Drop Chase.
Uy, it was good defense para sa Xavier. Here comes Tyrese. Tyrese to Vergara. Kopeng Huy. A nice pass. And the first point dito sa semifinals ni Kopeng Huy. Stepping on the line. Substitution. Lee coming in for Vergara. Wala rito ng Xavier. Tyrese.
Higher.
Last touch. Same ball.
Chase, kabila.
Pass to Flores. To Tyrese. Gets the foul. Same ball.
Time.
Timeout. Xavier School. Okay, back to the ball game. Official scores 30-19 in favor of our Xavier. Number 11. Tyrese, jump shot, no. Rebound by number 11. Grabe, tangkad dun. Number 12. Back to number 8. Pass to number 12. There's a foul, number 11. Substitution, that is second. Flores. Substitution for Jordan.
JJ.
Uy. Steal. Kopeng Huy to D. D, pass to D. To Tan. Tyrese. D, 4-3. No. Rebound. Tyrese. And one. Basket count. May kasama pang foul para kay Tyrese Tan. Time remaining, last 5 minutes. On the shot for Tyrese Tan. No good. Rebound ng Olops. Pass number 24, 4-3. Nakalusot ang Olops doon. Tan to Jordan. Back to D. To Jordan, to Tyrese. Pinasa gitna. Gobing Hoy. Spin. Oopsie. That's a travel. Remaining time 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Bola rito ng mga naka-blue. Number 2. Oh, steal by Jordan. Pass to D. Basket is good. Assisted by Jordan Yeng. Ayan na. Pinasa, tumira, short, rebound. Basket is good. May kasama pang foul para sa Olops SC. Substitution. C coming in. For Gobing Hoy. Rebound by Jordan. Pass to Tyrese. To Jordan. Back to D. Pinasa gitna. C. Steal by number 24. Tumatakbo ang Olops. Oh, what a nice steal by Jordan. Pass to Tyrese. Here comes Tyrese. Oh, what a Pinoy step para kay Tyrese Tan. 36-24 ang ating talaan. Outlet pass, steal. Makuha ng Xavier. Here comes D. Uy, last touch. Bola natin. Here comes C. Tahan na bola. Ayun lang double team. C. Oops, bad pass. Steal ang Olops. Ayun na. Uy, wala. Rebound by C. Pass to D. Outlet pass. Last touch. Same ball. Oh.
D1. Dion. Okay, pitch.
Number 2, C, 4-3 at nakapuntos na rin dito si C. 39-24.
No more foul.
Sa foul. Time remaining, last 2 minutes. That is first personal foul. Uy! Recover pa rin ang Olops. Top of the key for 3. No. Rebound. Makuha rin to ni Jordan. Jordan. Di diskarte. Up and under. Uy, walang tawag. Rebound ng Olops. Number 12. Top of the key. Short. Rebound by Jordan. Jordan. 2 and 1. Iba na ang matangkad. On a shot for Wee.
Hoy, awas may no-look ha. Stop being fancy, man. Working kanina, turnover ka na start ng game. Ano to? Pwede ko sa dito.
Wee? No? Rebound. Number 38, pass number 21. Number 21, running shot. No, rebound. Here comes Wee. Outlet pass. Cheng, no, rebound. Basket, Prito. Let's see. Timeout. Olops SC. Time remaining 41.80 seconds. 43-24. Ito natin ang ating savior.
Don't foul ha? Malo ka na naman kanina. Ha? Muntik na. Si Lucas sa ball side. Ikaw sa wing side. Tapos if last possession tayo lang.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Either you or Jordan.
Whole court dispense dito ang ating savior. Tingnan natin ang gagawing opensa ng mga naka-blue.
Yeah, may babackdoor lang dyan. Babackdoor tutun na kayo. Go!
41 seconds, steal. Uy, oy, bad pass. Steal ng Olops. Oopsie. Gets a foul, number 37. That's Wee.
Wala pa.
That is first personal foul. Fourth team foul. Last 31 seconds.
Hey! Wala pa!
Floater, short, rebound.
Hey! Away.
Dito ng savior. Jordan with the ball. Last shot dito ang Jordan. Ang savior. Last 9 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Jordan. Oh! That's a traveling violation. 1.59 seconds. Ayun na, backdoor pass. Tumira. Alright, that's the end of our first half official score. 43-24 in favor of our Xavier School. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Magkakat muna tayo for the meantime, and Happy New Year po sa lahat ng nanonood na ating live. Welcome. And sa karangalan muli na ma-cover ang ating mga laban. Hanggang sa muli, makita-kita po tayo for third quarter.